Shamai, another Kala U-Bass. Today I'm going to look at this one. It's a Striped Ebony Electro Acoustic U-Bass. So I said another Kala U-Bass. Kala have very kindly loaned me several electroacoustics so I can take a little look at them, do some reviews for you guys and have some fun playing them. And I should also wish Kala a very happy 20th anniversary this year. So yeah, they've got loads of things going on, and in fact last year it was the 15th anniversary of their U-Basses too. So this is the Striped Ebony U-Bass, and this particular one comes with a Pahoehoe strings. I will talk a little bit more about that in a moment. What I'm going to do is very quickly run through some specs and features, the price and what you get with it, and then I'll do some sound demos. So the bass comes with a really nice padded gig bag. Okay, it's not the thickest of paddings, but there's definitely padding on there. It's got shoulder straps, which makes a massive difference when you're playing the bass. Obviously, it's got a side handle, and it's got, you can see on the front U-Bass, a little accessory pocket. And this model comes with an Allen key because it's got a truss rod and a little instruction manual. It's got a little bit of information about Kala and U-Basses and some really useful information about how to change the strings on the U-Basses. So the actual model number is the Kala EBY-FS. EBY, Ebony, FS, just means frets. But there are several models of this one. It comes in this, fretted, with the black polyurethane strings, or the Pahoehoe strings. I'm not sure if it's Pahoehoe or Pahoehoe. It basically means lava. Okay, so yeah, it comes with the black Pahoehoe strings. It also comes with the round wound strings, which I've also got here, and there will be a separate review of that. And I think it comes as a fretless model too. So the price of this beautiful U-Bass. Southern Ukulele Store generally sell it for £449, but have currently got it on offer for £420. Gear for Music sell it for £449, but please remember, as much as Gear for Music sells some great stuff, they don't always check and set up the instruments because they sell so many of them. Thomann sell it for £589, and Kala list it on their site for $449. So yeah, I would put this one in the upper price range of the Kala U-Basses. But wow, what a stunner. So I'm going to run through the specs and features of it now very quickly, but I will put them all up on the screen at the end so you can go into detail if you want to have a good look. It is one good looking instrument. That striped ebony, the colours in that are just wow. So it's got a striped ebony top, sides, and a striped ebony back as well, but it's got this incredible maple binding. It's round the top and the sides, it goes round the back and the sides as well, and it even goes round the top of the headstock. Okay, I don't know if you can see that with the light. So yeah, a maple binding, and that just makes the striped ebony look even better. It's got a lovely satin finish, which is probably just as well on a hot sunny day like today, because I got very sweaty hands. It's got a mahogany neck and headstock, laurel fingerboard and bridge. It has got a Graphtec nut on there. I'll talk about widths and things in a minute. And of course, we got the piezo pickup under the composite saddle. Now then, the EQ with this one, because it's the higher price range, this one has got a Fishman. Okay, so the tuner is inbuilt, but with a Fishman, and if I just turn it on, okay. And like the EQ, with this being a more expensive model, it's got the Hipshot custom ultralight tuners, and they are brilliant tuners. As I mentioned earlier, this one comes with the Roadtoad Pahoehoe strings, the polyurethane strings, so they are very, very rubbery. So just to finish off the specs and features, it's got 16 frets, nut width of 44mm or 1.75 inches. The scale is just under 21 inches, and the overall length of the U-Bass is just under 30 inches, and it comes with one strap button. You might have noticed I've actually got a strap around the headstock. My preferred way of using a strap on these is to put, and it's so easy, to put another little strap button on the heel of the neck, okay? But yeah, one strap button, black included. Right, I'm going to put the specs and features up on the screen for you now for a few seconds. You can pause it if you wish to, then we can have a good listen. Right, it's definitely time to have a little listen. With this being a new instrument, the strings are still settling, so it is going out of tune a little bit. And this is why having a built-in tuner is so handy. And of course, I'm not going through the amp at the minute, so you can hear the bass as well. And that's another advantage of the electro acoustics, is being able to actually hear them acoustically. And remember, always turn the tuner off so you can hear the bass. This room is not the greatest for these big, thick, heavy E strings. Things start rattling, but one of the first things I always check is the consistency of the volume with piezo pickups. I do think the Pahoehoe strings are slightly different to the Thunder Blacks by Aquila. I just find these slightly softer, both under the finger to play and listening to as well. But yeah, they're lovely, lovely strings. So that is the Kala Striped Ebony U-Bass in all its glory. It's a stunning instrument to look at. It really, really is. And it's a lovely little U-Bass to play. I love the Pahoehoe strings. I love the sound of them and the feel of them. My sweaty hands are not helping at the minute. But yeah, it is a lovely U-Bass in both looks and sound. So yeah, around about the £450 upwards, it's at the higher end of the price range of the Kala U-Basses, but it has got upgraded features. It's got the hip shot tuners. It's got the Fishman EQ system. It's got the Roadtoad Pahoehoe strings as well. So yeah, a really nice bass. Comes with a case as well. And yes, really, really impressed with this. So again, a massive thank you to Kala UK in this case, because their HQ is in Wales. So Geraint and Walt have been sorting me out with these basses. I am loving going through them all. I am hoping you're enjoying the reviews as well. I have got a Patreon site if you'd like to support me here on the channel, and I'll pop a link in the description below for that. As always though, if you've got any comments or questions, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.